Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make the trending around the world video on CapCut. So what you need to do is prepare a 360 video like this, or you can also add your own video. You can ask someone to shoot you and make a video or beating around you, and then after that import the video to CapCut. And in the CapCut you just need to click on the video and then go to style and select auto velocity, this one's right here. Just click that and wait for the generating process to be finished. Okay, so it's already finished, and you can also adjust the interval between the beats of the song. So here I'm going to just go with it, and here I can't add the video because I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm going to just show you the video without the music. So it will go like this, like around the world, like that. And yeah, so that's basically how you can make the trending around the world video on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.